曜日。
今日はね、ちょっと待って。
And this is my outfit for today,
今日サンデーね。
Sunday. Daddy, oy, Dede.
ちょっと待って。
Yesterday, nanood kami ni Daddy ng Hawaiian show. Talaga, pagdating namin dito, mayroon ding show pala din dito. So, na-late lang talaga yung inform kay Daddy. So, napunta kami dun sa kabilang resort, nanood kami. So, this is mommy outfit for today. Good morning, my daddy. Pangga. Iko. So, mag-breakfast. It's a nice weather today, everyone. It's good morning. Let's go. You can see the flag in America. Here is Japan. It's good morning. It's our breakfast. Morning, and this is our morning. World Saipan. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.